Good day everyone. We will teach you on how to reset a router. Hanapin yung reset button ng router. So, ayun, nasa likod ang reset button ng router. Then, itusok lang natin ng matagal. So, ayun, okay na. Next is setting new admin password or system settings.
Next is changing SSID and password. Ngayon, papalitan natin yung password at SSID niya.
Next is hide the SSID. Then, ayan, magpapakita Wi-Fi setting, main SSID. Then, confirm yes. Then, pumunta sa network and internet.
Next is filter scandalous site. Pupunta tayo sa Globe at Home sa site nila. And then, kapag natapos na maging successful, sunod naman is filter the access of unauthorized users. Ayan. Lalagay lang tayo ng and the last one is perform field file sharing uses the VoLAN connection.